How to create a group on Signal for iPhone. Signal is one of the best iPhone messaging apps around. It uses the same end-to-end encryption protocol and it saves your privacy. Signal Group is built on the top of the new private group system technology. Signal service has no record of your group membership, group titles, group avatars, or group attributes. Group features includes invite via a group link or QR code, mentions, admin controls to remove a member from the group, admin controls of who can edit group info, and the disappearing message timer. Optional, you have admin approval for members joining by a group link. To start or create a group on Signal for iPhone, do the following. In Signal, tap Compose button. Tap New Group. Select the contact you want to add to the group. Please note, if you want first to create a group and do all the settings, you can skip this step and add the members later. Tap on the Next or Skip button. Write the name of the group. You can also add the photo of the group if you want directly here. Tap on Photo Library or Camera. Select the photo. Tap on Done. Tap Create. The group has been created. If you want to be safer, you can enable the option Approve New Members. You can do this by tapping on the Invite Friends. Also, you can enable a share link for the group if you want to send invites to the group via a link. In the group, you can do the same action as you also do in one conversation. You can send messages, images, video, and even record audio messages. On the group, you can do calls and also set up some interesting options. Now tap on the group name from the top. Here are the settings for the group. You can change the name and the picture of the group here with the edit button from the top. Here you can see all media and search the chat. Disappearing messages will make so a message sent and seen will disappear from the group. That is a very nice feature. You can set up how much time you want on this option. You can mute notification or do custom notification for your group. On mentions, you can set up it if you will receive a notification when somebody mentions you in the conversation. On Who Can Add Members option, you can set up who can add new people to the group. If the group is open, you can leave all members, but if it is a closed group, it is better to put only admins. On Who Can Edit Group Info, I suggest to set up so only admins can edit the group's info. On Members Requests and Invites, you will see all pending members and also invites that have not been accepted yet. Here, you can enable or disable the group link. On the bottom, you will see a part of the member list and also an option to block the group or leave the group. If you tap on one of the members, you will be able to make it a group admin or remove it from the group. This is how you actually create a group and manage it on your iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.